I'm Ashley, and this here is my friend Mia. Today we're going to learn more about nouns. You ready? Let's go! As you remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Now let's talk about some more specific types of nouns. Every noun can be common or proper, singular or plural, and concrete or abstract. First, we have a common noun, which is a general name for a person, place, or thing, such as hamburger, house, or tree. These are everyday nouns and do not have a specific name. They lived in a big house. In this sentence, the word house is a common noun because it is a general name. There is not a specific name for the house. A proper noun is a noun that is a specific name for an individual person, place, or thing, such as Statue of Liberty, Susie, or Texas. The first letter of every proper noun is always a capital letter. The man visited Texas. In this example, Texas is a proper noun because states have specific names. The T in Texas is capitalized. Nouns can be singular, meaning only one. In the first sentence, I see a dog, there is one dog. Dog is a singular noun. Next, there is a tree. There is only one tree, so tree is a singular noun. The house is blue. There is only one house, so house is a singular noun. Nouns can also be plural, representing more than one person, place, or thing. I have 3 cats. There is more than one cat. Cats is the plural form of cat. Look at those puppies. There is more than one puppy, so puppies is plural. There are many houses. Houses is the plural form of house. A concrete noun is a noun that you can see, smell, taste, touch, or hear, such as flowers, pillows, and books. You can actually smell, touch, or see flowers, pillows, and books. It is something that you can physically hold in your hand. There are a lot of soft pillows. In this sentence, pillows is a concrete noun because it is something you can physically hold. An abstract noun is a noun that expresses ideas or character traits and cannot be heard, seen, tasted, or touched. Some examples are bravery, anger, and love. They are not physical objects. Ideas are abstract nouns. He had a lot of anger. In this example, anger is an abstract noun because it is not something that you can touch, see, taste, or hear. In review, nouns can be common or proper, singular or plural, and concrete or abstract. Let's look at the noun blanket. What kind of noun is this word? Well, it's not a specific name, so it's common. It's also only one blanket, not many, so that makes it singular. And I can also see and touch it, so that makes it concrete. Great job. Now you're ready to ace your quiz. And don't forget to always be clever.
Hey, hey.